Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 18b. So in the first question, it is given that in a right angle triangle, find the length of the hypotenuse if the other two sides measures 12 centimeter and 35 centimeters. Means this is a right angle triangle. Other two sides are given to you and you have to find out the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So if we find the hypotenuse, then we use the Pythagoras theorem. By using this Pythagoras theorem, the formula is x square is equals to b square plus p square. Means hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So h square is equals to 12 square plus 35 square. 12 square plus 35 square. You will get the value of h square. Then just root out this number. You will be able to get the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Then in the second question, the length of one side of a right triangle is 24 centimeter. One side is 24 centimeter and the length of the hypotenuse is given, that is 40 centimeter. This is a right angle triangle. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, h square is given to you, that is h is given to you, that is 40 centimeter. So 40 square is equals to 1600. And then 24 square, that is b square. And you have to find out one thing, one length. Okay. So let's thought that this is P. Okay, this is P and this is B. So 1600 minus 576 is equals to P square, or the other side of the triangle. So the square root of 1024 is 32. So the other side is equals to 32. In the third question, it is given that the two legs of a right triangle are equal. The two legs are equal. So let us take the two sides be x and the hypotenuse is given to you, that is 50 centimeter square. So as we know that by using Pythagoras theorem, the formula is written here, h square is equals to x square plus x square, because this is P and this is B, or this is P or this is B. So 50 square is equals to x square plus x square is equals to 2x square. So 50 by 2 is equals to x square. So 25 is equals to x square. So the root of 25 is 5. So the length of each leg is 5 centimeter, because this is x and this is also x. So if this will be 5, then this will also 5. So in the fourth question, it is given that given below are the length of the legs of a right angle ABC. In each case, find the length of the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. So only you have to find out the hypotenuse. Okay. Means A is given to you, B is given to you, have to find out the C. So the value of A and B are differ in the three questions. So the first bit, the value of A is 32 and the value of B is 60. So you have to find out the C. So 32 square plus 60 square is equals to 1024 plus 3600. That is the value of C square is 4624 and the root of 4624 is 68. So we will find the hypotenuse by using this formula, by using Pythagoras theorem. So bit number 2 and bit number 3 of question number 4 is your homework. Now I am going to discuss about question number 5. Yes, question number 5. It is given that given below are the lengths of the sides of triangle ABC. In each case, state whether triangle ABC is a right angle triangle or not. Means you have to say if these angles, if these length of the length of the triangle are of a right angle triangle or not. means you have to prove that what is given to you, that BC is equals to 58, CA is equals to 44, AB is equals to 40. Which one is greater? BC is greater. The longest side is always the hypotenuse of a triangle. So let us take BC be the hypotenuse and AB square plus CA square the other two sides. If we square the other two sides and if it is equals to the hypotenuse, then it is a right angle triangle. But in this question, you will be able to find that the hypotenuse is not equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So it is not a right angle triangle. But in the third bit, you will be able to get that the hypotenuse square is equals to the other two sides. So it is a right angle triangle. In question number 6, see, question number 6 is a little bit different from other questions. See, what you have to take this, 1 minute, yes. See, a man travels 90 kilometers due east. You know this is east, this is north, this is west and this is south. So a man travels 90 kilometers towards east. East की तरफ 90 kilometers गया. And then यहाँ पहुँचने के बाद then 56 kilometers due south. South नीचे है तो 56 kilometers due south. Means यहाँ से start किया और जाके यहाँ पहुँच गया. तो how far he is from his starting point. So you have to find the value of this. See, this is a right angle triangle as you can see. So you have to find out the hypotenuse of this triangle. So hypotenuse square is equals to 90 square plus 56 square. You will be able to get the hypotenuse of this triangle or the AC. The value of AC is what? The hypotenuse. So you will get AC is equals to 106 kilometer. Therefore, he is 106 kilometer far from the starting point. And the last question, that is question number 8. Yes. Find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle. Means you have to find the length of the diagonals of a rectangle. So, which sides are given to you? That is 21 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So, let us solve that A, B, C, D is a rectangle. So AB is given to you and BC is given to you. You have to find out the AC. AC is what? AC is the hypotenuse of this rectangle. So 21 square plus 20 square is equals to 441 plus 400, 841. The square root of 841 is 29. So the length of the diagonal of a rectangle is 29. 29 is what? This portion. Okay, this one. This one is 29. Okay, by just adding these two values or the square of these two values and then just add these two, 21 square plus 20 square, you will be able to get the diagonal of this rectangle. So thank you students, that's all for today's class. In the next class, we are going to do the last chapter, that is probability. Thank you and have a nice day.